What's up, YouTubers? Here with the Lexus. This is the ES350. This pretty much works for pretty much as many Lexuses as you can imagine. It's gonna be the same thing unless they're really old, which I'll have a video update. So long story short, if you want to winterize or not get ice on your wipers, you can tell that you can't pick up your wipers to replace the blades or to lift it up so that you don't build ice, or just to be able to clean them thoroughly without really trying to almost damage your car and denting it and whatnot. So what do? Very simple. You come in your car, you come over here, you start your car. I have the car already started for you, so I don't have to start the car again. And then what you do is two things afterwards. You simply press the start button as such right over here one time. This will shut off the car, and then you're gonna take this knob right over here and press and hold it upward. Keep holding it up, at which point when the wipers go to the top position, you let go. And as you can see, the car is off. All I did was hold this knob upward for as long as it took to get these in service position, and then all I have to do is come over and I'm able to now lift these up and be able to service them, wipe them, clean them. Also, if it's the middle of the winter and I want to lift these wipers up, I could just lift them up as such, and that way they're in service position so the snow and so forth doesn't build up. Some people put bags over it to prevent it from building up snow and ice, and then it's easy to service and clean your window. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to get this to go back down. I know you're probably waiting for that. Make sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button while you wait. Last thing you do is just turn the car on, press the wiper button and press this down, but you got to turn the car on, and then you got to move the wiper down back into its normal position, and the wipers go where it should. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.